Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Disney World inspired treat video. So today we are going to be making the cheeseburger steamed pods from Satu'li Canteen in Pandora in Animal Kingdom. If you are missing Disney as much as I am, then this lovely little treat will just bring a nice taste and memory to your home. Guys, if you enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you as a viewer. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So for the dough mixture, you are going to need 355 ml of room temperature water, 562 grams of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then separately 100 grams of sugar. You are then going to need 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, a tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of yeast. And for the cheeseburger filling, you are going to need 500 grams of ground beef, 226 grams of cheddar, half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1.5 teaspoons of ketchup and mustard, and then 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. So start by adding 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of yeast, and then add your water and give the mixture a quick whisk and let it sit for 10 minutes or until the mixture becomes foamy. So in a separate bowl, mix together the flour, the baking powder and the rest of the sugar. Once stirred and combined, add your vegetable oil and continue to mix. Once combined, start pouring the yeast mixture into the flour mixture and combine. Once the dough has come together, then transfer to a floured work surface and knead the dough for about 10 minutes and add more flour and oil if necessary. Place your kneaded dough into a well-oiled bowl and cover with some cling film and allow it to rest for 2 hours in a warm place. Once you remove it, should be about double its size. Once the dough has risen, you need to punch down into the dough, cover again and allow to sit for 30 additional minutes. Now we're going to move on making our cheeseburger filling. So you need to brown off the mince in a pan and once starting to brown, add in your garlic powder and keep browning the mince off. Once all your mince is cooked, you are then going to want to add all of your grated cheese to the mixture and allow it to melt. Once the cheese has melted in well, make sure you take the pan off the heat and we are then going to add in our ketchup, our mustard and give it a good stir, and then we're going to also then add in the Worcestershire sauce and stir again well. Once your dough has risen, you are going to want to cut the dough into 8 equal sized pieces, and just for my own convenience I have rolled it into balls so I know that they are about the same size. I'm going to take a well floured rolling pin and surface and roll it into circles of about 3 to 4 inches. I am then going to start putting an equal amount of filling into each of my bao buns. So to seal the buns then, it is quite simple. You just want to start bringing up the edges of the dough and seal at the top with all the extra dough. I'm then going to spray each of the buns with a little bit of vegetable oil just so they don't stick to the steamer. Now my steamer is ready to go, so I'm just going to pop all the buns in and steam for about 10 to 12 minutes. And guys, that is how you make the cheeseburger steamed pods from Pandora. And guys, if you do try this out, then send me a picture over on Instagram. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. Thank you, bye!